Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 12-inch wood round. So because it's unfinished wood, I went ahead and primed it with a black primer. So my base coat will be a black. All the colors I will be using will be listed in the description below. So here I am adding my black, which is my base coat. I'm going to put it on and blow it out, blow it evenly all over the substrate. Once I do that, I will begin adding the colors. So just out of curiosity, when you're working on black, what is your favorite color scheme to work on black or color palette? So here I am blowing out the bubbles with my torch, just torching it so I can get rid of all the bubbles. And I tend to do that prior to laying down my colors. The first color I'm going to be using is an iridescent copper. That's by Golden. The next color I'm using is a Shimmering silver, which is by DecoArt. Third color I'm going to be using is also by DecoArt, and it's Peacock Pearl. And I added a little bit of sparkle to it, Luxe powders and Teal. Just mixed it right up in the paint. And my final color is an Iridescent gold, which is also by Golden. So I'm going to add a little bit more of my base coat, and my base coat allows my colors to flow. Then I'm going to blow the base coat over the colors slightly, and then I'm going to blow it out until I get a composition that I like. So again, thank you very much for watching my video and subscribing. I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the music and the video. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art.